Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to transfer USDT from Exmo to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With crypto security being more important than ever, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like Ledger is a smart move to keep your funds safe from online threats. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Exmo account with USDT in it, your Ledger Nano X device fully updated with the latest firmware, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer. If you haven't already, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer and open the Ethereum app on the device, since USDT is an ERC20 token. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account on their official website. Navigate to your wallet section and select USDT. Here, you'll find the Withdraw or Send option. Before you proceed, you need your Ledger's wallet address. Open Ledger Live on your computer, go to the Accounts tab, and select your Ethereum account. Copy the address displayed there, never type it manually to avoid errors. Step 2. Back on Exmo, paste that Ethereum address into the withdrawal form for USDT. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and be mindful of any network fees. ERC20 transactions typically use the Ethereum network, so fees can vary. Step 3. Review the transaction details on Exmo. Once you're happy, confirm the withdrawal. On your Ledger Nano X, you'll see a prompt to approve the transaction. Carefully verify the details on the device's screen and use the buttons to confirm. This adds an extra layer of security. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to confirm the USDT has arrived in your wallet. A quick word of caution: always use the official Exmo and Ledger websites or apps to avoid scams. Keep your Ledger device offline when not in use, and never share your seed phrase. There you have it. Your USDT is now safely on your Ledger Nano X. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.